नमस्कार, वेलकम बैक टू एन अनदर वीडियो। दिस इज कनिष्क चौधरी, सर्टिफाइड योगा एंड फिटनेस एक्सपर्ट। तो आज आप लाइव सेशन में हैं। इधर आप फोन देख रहे होंगे, इधर लाइव चल रहा है, मेरा सेशन चल रहा है, योगा मैं करा रहा हूं। आज वो पूरी वीडियो आप एंजॉय कीजिए, किस तरीके से मैं योग कराता हूं, किस तरीके से योग के इतने लाभ हैं। जो ऑनलाइन क्लास भी इसकी चल रही है, अगर आप ऑनलाइन क्लास ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में जो नंबर दिए गए हैं वहां कॉन्टैक्ट करके आप लाइव क्लास कर सकते हैं। अदरवाइज आप हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पे देख के सब कुछ समझ जाएंगे कैसे योग अभ्यास करनी है। वहां बहुत सारी सीरीज डाली गई हैं आप सबके लिए। तो आप घर में रहिए, लॉकडाउन रहिए, इसी तरीके से कोविड-19 से हम जीत सकते हैं। और आज के लाइव सेशन को एंजॉय कीजिए। धन्यवाद। क्यों ना हम इतने महत्वपूर्ण समय का लाभ उठाएं। ऑनलाइन क्लास चल रही है, इधर भी क्लास चल रही है, इधर भी मैं कर रहा हूं और आप भी वीडियो देख रहे हैं। तो क्यों ना आप भी मैट बिछाएं और योगा करना स्टार्ट करें। नमस्कार, जय हो।
नमस्ते।
आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं अपनी वीडियो। भाग भवे टुगेदर। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम। Rub your both palm. Rub them fast. Generate the heat and put them over your eyes. Just energize your face, energize your eyes. Feel yourself calm, comfortable. Put them all over your face, all over your neck, chest, all over your body. Slowly look down and open your eyes. Namaste. So now we are going to start with shoulder rotation, right? So put your both palm over your knees and rotate your shoulders 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. Inhale in, rotate them. Breathe in and breathe out. Keep breathing. Breathe in and breathe out with your both nostrils. Reverse. Breathe in and out. Inhale up. Inhale up. And exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Relax. Put your both palm on a Jnana Mudra. Right? Now we are going to do Bhastrika Pranayam. All right? Bhastrika Pranayam. First, हम इसलिए कर रहे हैं ताकि हमारी बॉडी एक्टिवेट हो। अभी जो हम योग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, सारा ब्लड फ्लो हमारी बॉडी में बढ़े, इस वजह से हम कर रहे हैं। राइट? सो कमर सीधी करनी है, चेस्ट आउट, बैक स्ट्रेट एंड स्टार्ट। पहले हम नॉर्मल से स्टार्ट करेंगे भस्त्रिका। ऑल राइट? सो स्टार्ट इट। वेरी गुड। इनहेल और एक्सहेल करना है आपको नॉस्ट्रल से। राइट? वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, गुड। 5 more, breathe. 5 more, 5 more. 1 2 3 4 5. Relax, just relax. Right? Relax for 10 seconds. After this we are going to do again this. Right? After this we are going to do again. Right? Now the speed must be increased. Right? Okay, so start it together. Very good. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. 10, 9, 8, more fast. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Just relax yourself. Inhale and exhale. Calm down your breath. Calm down with your breath. Inhale and exhale with your both nostrils. Do not open your mouth. Right? सबसे पहली प्रायोरिटी हमारी सांस लेने की किससे है? नॉस्ट्रल से है. Right? Breathe in and breathe out. Very good. Again, one more time. All right? Very good. Full power yoga. Full power. Okay. 3, 2, 1 and start again. More fast, more fast, more fast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. 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 Very good. Again we are going to do again one more time. Last time. Chalo. 3, 2, 1 and start again. Very good. Keep going, keep going, keep going. More fast, more fast, more fast, more fast, more fast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Very good. Body गर्म हुई आपकी? Very good, very good. Now just raise your both arm up. Thumb inside your finger and rotate your wrist. 10 times clockwise and 10 times anti-clockwise. Breathe in and breathe out. Keep breathing. Back should be straight. Breathe in and out. 10 times clockwise and 10 times anti-clockwise. Very good. Good. Up and down wrist. Up and down. बहुत जरूरी है रिस्ट क्योंकि आगे आसन में यूज होने वाली है रिस्ट. राइट? सारे पोजेस जितने सारे माउंटेन पोज है जिन पे हम हाथ रखने वाले हैं जमीन पे वो सब में यूज होने वाली है. ऑल राइट. अप एंड डाउन. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. अप एंड डाउन. वेरी गुड. नाउ होल्ड योर लेफ्ट fingers like this with your right hand and stretch your forearms. Very good. अच्छे से stretch करना है. At least hold it for 10-15 seconds. Hold it. Now same, अब हाथ ऊपर करना है, fingers point करना है ऊपर, right, and stretch it. Change your hand. Change up. Very good. Relax. Now interlock your both fingers like this. Interlock. Inhale. Take a deep inhale in. Fill your abdominal, your chest, your collarbone. Exhale. Inhale again. And lift your both arms up. Stretch your whole body up. नाभि अंदर की ओर, पेट अंदर की ओर, स्कैपुला ऊपर की ओर, शोल्डर्स ऊपर की ओर, एल्बोज ऊपर की ओर. Stretch your whole body upward. Exhale, hand side to side, half down. Side to side, half down. Fingers should be like this. All right? Fingers should be separated. Very good. Like this and rotate your shoulders. Breathe in and breathe out. Rotate your shoulders 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. Breathe in and breathe out. Keep breathing. Rotate them. Full rotation. Reverse. 5 times reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Now open up your fingers like this. हाथ इस तरीके से खोल लीजिए. Fingers upward रहेंगी. Right? Side to side. Very good. Rotate them. Now start. 1. Breathe out. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Very good. Elbows lift up करके रखो. Elbows lift up 90 degree. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift up your elbows. 5, 6, 7. Very good. 8, 9 and 10. Hold there. Just hold. Now rotation करनी है. Arm rotation. Right. Breathe in, breathe out. Shoulder cuff rotation. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Breathe out. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Now reverse. Fully rotate. Breathe in up and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Very good. Very good. Now relax. Relax. Hold there. Just hold. Very good. Now inhale and look up. Inhale. Take a deep inhale in and look up. Exhale. Exhale with your both nostril and squeeze your tummy in. Squeeze your tummy. Very good. Inhale up, look up. Open up your chest. Look up. Feel your breath around your lungs. Very good. And exhale, squeeze. Very good. Roll your back. Roll your back. Hold it. Hold this. Hold this. Exhale, squeeze again. One more time. Squeeze. Abdominal tug in. Very good. Just inhale and exhale. Relax. Hands down. Hands down. Hands down. Very good. Now put your both palms in front of your legs. Very good. Finger must be separated, right? Inhale, lift your right arm first up. Inhale, lift it up, up, and look back. Your right thumb. Feel a good stretch on your abdominal and lower back and your shoulder. Look back. Look back your right thumb. Very good. Inhale up and exhale, hand down. Very good, brilliant. Inhale, lift up your left hand up now. Again, same. Look back. Look back your left thumb. Twist your lower back. Feel the good stretch on your shoulder. Feel a good stretch. Right, breathe in and breathe out. Keep breathing. Take a deep inhale in, up. And exhale, hand down. Very good. Brilliantly done. Very good. Now interlock your fingers just this side. Interlock. Inhale up. Up. Slightly go back. Look up. Exhale, hand side to side down and look in front. Very good. Now see this. हम क्या करने वाले हैं? हाथ इस तरीके से रखे हैं. इनहेल करेंगे इस तरीके से. इनहेल करेंगे आप. राइट पूरा स्ट्रेच करना है ऊपर. एक शोल्डर स्ट्रेच करना है. अच्छे से कमर स्ट्रेच करनी है ऊपर की ओर. एंड देन जब एक्सहेल करेंगे फोर्सफुली एक्सहेल करेंगे. सी दिस. राइट जब हम ऊपर एक्सटेंड कर रहे हैं तो इनहेल कर रहे हैं डीप. जब हम नीचे हाथ ला रहे हैं तो स्क्वीज कर रहे हैं. पूरा एब्डोमिनल स्क्वीज कर रहे हैं. जो हम फोर्स जनरेट कर रहे हैं ऊपर से नीचे, सारा जो एल्बो से फोर्स जनरेट कर रहे हैं, शोल्डर से फोर्स जनरेट कर रहे हैं, वो अपनी एल्बोस से रोकना है. और एल्बोस क्या कौन रोकेगा? आपका एब्डोमिनल. ठीक, एक बार और देखो आप. इनहेल और एक्सहेल करनी है फोर्सफुली विद योर नॉस्ट्रिल. ऑलराइट, चलो स्टार्ट. इनहेल अप, एक्सहेल. वेरी गुड. इनहेल अप, एक्सहेल डाउन. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. 3 more. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale hold, exhale hold, exhale hold, exhale hold. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. More tight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Just relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Very good. Now lift your both hands forward like this. Fingers upward. Right? Same. Take a deep inhale in and exhale. Inhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Very good. Now just hold your right leg and straight it out. Hold your left one and straight that out. Make that out. Alright? हाथ पीछे रख लीजिए and shake your legs. Shake your legs. Very good. Hit up and down. Very good. Rotate your ankle. 1. Breathe in and out. Fully rotation. 2. Very good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Up and down. Up and toes down. Toes down, both toes down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up, stretch them up. Very good. Exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Very good. Now just bend your right knee. Hold it like this. Hold your right thigh. Okay? Left toe must be towards your side. Inhale up. Stretch it out. Exhale, head down. Inhale up. Stretch it out. Feel a good stretch on your hamstring. Exhale down. Inhale up. Stretch up more. Lift up your thigh. Lift it up. Exhale down. Inhale up again. Exhale down. Inhale, lift it up again. Just remove your hands. Make them in front. Very good. Hold it. Hold your thigh. Very good. Exhale down and hands down. Very good. Now just bend your left knee again. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale. Very good. Inhale up, stretch it out. More up, lift up your thigh. Exhale. Inhale up. And just hold weight like this. Hold it. Exhale down. Very good. Very good. Put your both fingers like this, both palm like this. Alright? Finger must be like this. Inhale, lift up your both feet like this and hold it. Toes in front. 1, 2, very good. 3, more lift up. 4 and 5 down. Very good. One more last. One more. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift up your leg. and do it like this. Very good. Nokasana. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Very good. Joint your both feet together. Hold your toes and just do it like this. Butterfly pose. Hit them hard. Hit them hard. ग्राउंड पे हिट करना है अच्छे से. Very good. Relax. Now put your both palm over your knees. Very good. Inhale up. Hold your both knees and join them together and hold it like this. Head down. Exhale down again one more time. Last. And down. Very good. Okay. Now hold your both knees again. Feet must be this side. In front. Very good. Hands back. Right hand, right leg over your left knee and left knee down towards right side. Look back towards left side. Very good. Change leg. Change leg. Left knee over your right knee, right side, and look back towards your right. Very good. Come back. Feet apart कीजिए, shoulder level. Feet apart करनी है shoulder level. Fingers तरीके से ground पे. Very good. धीरे धीरे से weight आगे transfer कीजिए and come in front. Very good. Do it like this. Very good. Malasana. पूरे फीट पे बैठना है, फिंगर्स नहीं उठानी है, पीछे वेट शिफ्ट करो थोड़ा. वेरी गुड. बैक स्ट्रेट. लिफ्ट अप योर बोथ palm, both hands. Hold there. Just hold it for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Feet down, heel down. Very good. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and down. Both palm on the ground. Very good. Inhale, lift your, straighten your both knees and bend down. Very good. Bend down. Breathe in and out. Very good. Now just move your both hands like this. See this side. See this side. Breathe in and out. Very good. Make it 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Very good. 4, 3, 2, 1 and down. Relax. Just hold. Hold this side. Hold. Go down. Try to go down. Very good. Put your both palm over your knees. Straighten your back and look up. Look in front. Look in front. Very good. Very good. Hands down on the ground. Inhale. Left leg back. Put your left leg back this side. Very good. Knee down and stretch your thigh muscle. Left thigh. Very good. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Transfer the weight. Very good. धीरे धीरे weight आगे transfer कीजिए and come in front more. Toes back. Left toes back. Left toe back. Very good. Very good. Transfer the weight. Very good. Feel a good stretch on your quads. Left quad, right hamstring, right quad, lower back. Very good. Just hold. Hold for a while. Very good. Now inhale, lift your right hand up. Stretch up and look up. Very good. Very good. Look up. Look up. Look up. Look up. Stretch. Stretch your quads. Stretch it out. Stretch your legs. पैर स्ट्रेच करो, आगे ग्लूट्स करो, ग्लूट्स आगे लेके आओ. वेरी गुड. हाँ, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. रिलैक्स. हैंड डाउन, hands down, both elbow down towards left side, elbow down like this, and head down on the ground. Very good. Relax for a while. Just relax there. Just relax there. Do not go back. Come up. Come up. Come up. Very good. Lift up your left thigh. Lift up your left thigh up like this. Lift it up. Very good. Again, lift up your right hand and look up. Look up your right hand. Very good. Look up your right hand. Right hand. Very good. Brilliantly done. Knee lift up. Very good. Exhale, palm down, palm down. Inhale, inhale, left leg forward. Again. Bend down, back straight. Back must be straight. Down. Try to go down. More down. Hold it. Hold this. Now inhale. Put your right leg back. Knee down. Knee down. Right toe back. Very good stretch. Feel a good stretch on your right quad. सीधे वाले quads पे अच्छा महसूस करना है. Lower back आगे stretch रहेगी. Very good. नी टो के आगे नहीं जाएगी. आगे वाली नी टो के आगे नहीं जाएगी. राइट. वेरी गुड. अच्छा स्ट्रेच फील करो. हो रहा है स्ट्रेच. वेरी गुड. नाउ इनहेल. लिफ्ट योर लेफ्ट हैंड अप एंड लुक अप. वेरी गुड. स्ट्रेच. मोर स्ट्रेच. मोर स्ट्रेच. Very good. Very good. Hold. Hold. थोड़ा नी आगे लेके आओ. नी शिफ्ट करो. वेट शिफ्ट करो. खड़ा नहीं होना है. खड़ा नहीं होना है. ये ऐसे खड़ा नहीं होना. थोड़ा सा आगे शिफ्ट करो. ये कॉर्ड्स प्लेन रहेगी. नीचे टच करने की कोशिश करनी है. ऐसे. ये गुड. दिस वन. वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड. होल्ड. बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो आप. वेरी गुड. गुड वर्क. अब राइट टो टक कर लीजिए अंदर. टक योर राइट टो इन एंड लिफ्ट योर राइट नी अप. वेरी गुड. नाउ इनहेल. लिफ्ट अप योर लेफ्ट हैंड अगेन अप एंड लुक अप. Exhale. Left hand down and both elbow down towards right side and head down. Inhale, come up and lift your right thigh up again and come in front like this. Very good. Breathe in and out. Keep breathing. Very good. दोनों toes out करो. Shoulder level apart है आपकी toes. अब दोनों toes out करो and sit back again. Do this. Malasana again. Very good. Perfect. Back straight. Balance yourself. Very good. Malashan. Both palm down again on the ground and straighten your both knees. Joint your both feet together. Join them. Ready for chair pose, Utkatasana, right? Bend your slightly bend your both knees. Inhale, raise your both arm up. Hold this. 10. Core tight, core must be tight. Glutes tight, hands straight. Bend your both knees. हल्की सी knees bend करो. Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, straighten your both knees and slightly go back. Slightly go back. हल्का सा पीछे जाना है. Slightly go back. Very good. Go back. Take your both glutes out. Very good. And exhale, hand down. Joint your both palm in front of your chest. Just close your eyes. Feel your posture. Feel your posture again. Breathe in and breathe out. Concentrate on your breath. Feel yourself calm, light, and stable. Feel yourself calm, light, and stable. Open your eyes again. Raise your both arm up and exhale, forward bend down. Inhale, left leg back, knee down, toes back, and do it like this. Look up, chest out, shoulders back, and look up. Breathe in and breathe out. Exhale, palm down. Inhale, right leg back, mountain pose. Very good. Mountain pose, perfect mountain. Calf stretch up and down. Calf stretch up and down. Calf stretch, very good. Good work. Calf stretch अच्छे से करने हैं. Good. Up and down, alternative. Very good. More. Joint your both feet together. Joint your both feet together. Very good. And make that out. Glutes up, core tight. Glutes up and core tight. Do it like this. Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale and exhale. Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, knee down and chest down between your palm. Very good. Inhale up, cobra pose. Look up, cobra pose. Look up, chest out. Very good, chest out, shoulders back, elbow straight. Look back. Breathe. 5 breathe. Deep 5 breath. Just hold and 5 breathe. 1. Go back to the mountain pose. Tug your both toes and go back to the mountain. Inhale, put your left feet forward, right knee down, toes back, and stretch. Look up. Very good. Exhale, palm down. Inhale, right leg forward, bend down. Again, chair pose, bend your both knees. Raise your both arm up. Okay, do it like this. हाथ आगे, knees bend करो और sit back. पीछे बैठना है, पीछे. स्क्वाट्स में बैठते हैं जैसे, पीछे. Come on. हाँ, good. More sit back. Inhale, raise your both arm up. दोनों हाथ ऊपर उठाओ, पीछे जाओ हल्का सा. Exhale, forward bend down. Exhale, forward bend down. Face मेरी तरफ करो. Very good. Inhale, right leg back. सीधा वाला पैर पीछे लेके जाओ. Inhale, right leg back. Knee down. Toes back. Slightly go back. Exhale, palm down. Inhale, left leg forward. Mountain pose. Inhale, exhale, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, exhale, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Cobra pose. Look up. Look up. Exhale, mountain. Place your right feet forward. Knee down. Place your right feet forward. Very good. And slightly go back. More stretch. Look up. Exhale, palm down. Inhale, left leg forward. Bend down. Very good. Bend your both knees. And raise your both arm up and hold it. Again, chair pose, Utkatasana. Very good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, raise your both arm up, slightly go back. And join your both palm in front of your chest. Relax. Now sit down, बैठ जाओ नीचे. अब करेंगे सर्वांगासन. सर्वांगासन, सर्वांग.
Okay, this is my first time. I haven't done it yet.
Okay, lie down.
Yes.
Lift your both feet like this and put them up. Okay. Now leave it. Now do 20 leg raises fast. Very good. 8, 9, 10, 11. Very good. Keep going. Done? Very good. Lie down again. Very good. Later out. Now cycling. 50 times cycling. Hand back like this and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. Start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Leg straight. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Very good. More. Start. Again. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Relax. Very good. Now 50 reverse crunches. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Very good. Now change. See this side. इधर देखो. Now both hands like this. Lift your both legs and hand and head. Hold it. Very good. Lift it up. Lift your both legs. Hold. Legs straight. Legs straight. Done. Come up. Sit up. Now just cross your both legs. Now we are going to do Kapalbhati, right? 3 minutes together. Put your both palm like this. Hands in a Agni Mudra. Third finger. Very good. Do it like this. Chest out, shoulders back. This mudra is very good for the fat loss. जो पेट में थोड़ी बहुत गर्मी बनती है, कुछ भी बनता है, इससे सही होगा वो, राइट? चलो, कपालभाति लगातार कंटिन्यूअस for 5 minutes at least. Start. Very good. Keep going. करते रहो. Very good. Relax. Put your right palm over your left knee. Left hand back and look back. Change hand. Left hand over your right knee. Right hand back and look back. Come back. Now Bhramari Pranayam 3 times. Bhramari Pranayam. Alright? पहली वाली उंगली इस तरीके से, बाकी 2 उंगली आईज के ऊपर, कान बिल्कुल अच्छे से बंद करने, 3 टाइम्स कंटिन्यूअस करना है. ऑलराइट? इनहेल डीप. Hands down. Just remain, close your eyes. Feel yourself calm, comfortable, and stable. Slowly lie down on your mat, ready for Savasana. Straighten your both knees. Lie down. हथेलियां ऊपर की ओर खोल लीजिए. पैर एकदम रिलैक्स. Feel yourself calm, light and stable. एक एक आसन हमें याद करना है जो आपने आसन करे हैं. बॉडी की किस किस पार्ट पे कौन सा आसन आया है उस पार्ट को फील करना है और अपने शरीर के अंदर स्टोर करना है. धीरे से अपने दोनों फीट रिलैक्स कीजिए. रिलैक्स योर काफ मसल, relax your knees, your thighs, your glutes, lower back, comfortable. Try to give them a deep breathe to all over your body. Relax your abdominal. Feel your lower body like a stone which is not moving. Relax your chest, your upper back, your neck, your shoulders, biceps, triceps, forearms, fingers. Comfortable, calm and relax. Relax your neck, your facial muscles, eye, ear, nose, chin, forehead, eyebrows, completely relaxed. Feel yourself light. Try to connect your soul with the super soul. Slowly come to your body. Move your feet. Move your fingers. Head right and left. Turn your head right and left. Bend your both knees. Turn your body towards left side. With the right hand, come up. Sit with cross legs. आंखें बंद ही रहेंगी. अब हम एक ओम चैंटिंग के बाद 3 शांति पाठ का जप करेंगे और क्लास को फिनिश करेंगे. Joint your both palm in front of your chest, ready for Om chanting and 3 Shanti. So take a deep inhale in with your both nostrils. Inhale. शांति ओम। Relax. Rub your both palm. Put them over your eyes again. Feel yourself calm, light and stable. Put them all over your body. Look down. Say thanks to the God. Say thanks to the Mother Earth. Just smile, and with a good smile, light smile, open your eyes. Namaste. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So how was the class, ma'am?
It was wonderful. It was very interactive. Thank you so much.
How was your experience with this online classes? How was your experience with me also?
Yes, sorry.
How was your experience with me as well? And how was the class?
The class was very interactive. I could understand everything.
Yes.
And it was very mindfully, peacefully done. Everything was perfect.
Did you enjoy this?
Yeah, I couldn't.
वेरी गुड मैम, थैंक यू सो मच। स्टे हेल्दी। और लाइव चल रही है हमारी, यूट्यूब पे भी जाने वाली है। अभी रुकिए, मैं आपको मिलाता हूँ अपने दर्शकों से। वेट, जस्ट होल्ड देयर, जस्ट वेट देयर। सो दिस वाज द क्लास। नाउ यू कैन सी मैम कर रही थी इधर। वेरी गुड। हाय बोलिए मैम सबको।
नमस्ते।
मैम कर रही थी और मैम ने बहुत ज़्यादा इन्जॉय करा है क्लास को, अभी जैसे इन्होंने बताया। सो आपको मैं उम्मीद कर रहा हूँ वीडियो बहुत पसंद आई होगी। वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और योगा करें। देखिए अभी मैंने योगा करा है, कुछ मैंने योगा करा है। आप देख सकते हैं कितने पसीने आ गए हैं। लगभग 40 to 50 मिनट्स हमें भी योगा करते हुए हैं। पूरी क्लास हुई है, काफ़ी अच्छी क्लास रही है। अभी हर दिन चेंज करते रहते हैं हम, जैसे जैसे योगा चलता रहता है, किस दिन के हिसाब से कौन सा दिन चल रहा है, कैसे क्लाइंट की हालत है, कौन किस तरीके से योग कर सकता है, उस तरीके से हम सब कुछ करते हैं। ऑलराइट, सो वीडियो को एंजॉय कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। धन्यवाद। घर में बने रहिए, योग प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। आपका कोई सवाल है तो उसको कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछिए, इंस्टाग्राम या फेसबुक पे पूछ सकते हैं। धन्यवाद। नमस्कार। स्टे सेफ। जय हिंद। नमस्कार। धन्यवाद।